Hello, thanks for tuning in again. Today I want to talk about Industry 5.0 and the skills that are required to excel and that cannot be automated. We have seen it before that amazing brands took a big hit due to a tremendous lack of foresight into the future. Kodak, Blackberry and Blockbuster are just a few examples. Many manufacturing companies still operate from a mindset of the industrial age. I tell you what to do, no questions asked. Now, what actually is Industry 5.0? The term refers to people working alongside robots and smart machines. The key is to coach, train and teach people to get them mentally, emotionally and from a skill level at the top of their game. Here are some of the necessary skills you must have in order to be successful in this new era. Leadership, communication, empathy, analytical ability, critical and strategic thinking, mental flexibility, eager to learn, effective problem solving, team building skills, ideation, innovation, attention to detail, and last but not least, creativity and originality. My suggestion to future-proof your career: number 1, personal growth is a must-have, not a nice-to-have. Number 2, give your interpersonal skills a unique presence on your LinkedIn profile and your resume. Number 3, make technology your friend and be willing to learn. Number 4, mental flexibility. Learn to become comfortable with being uncomfortable. Number 5, build your personal growth plan with these skills in mind. Human skills are underrated. Be aware to use this tremendous competitive edge over robots. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.